Be it a restaurant or a cloud kitchen, serving with consistent quality is one thing, but managing inventory supply for the most optimum capital and supply management is a different game altogether. You might say, well, there's data in those Excel sheets. If it was one kitchen, you could still do it with 1 week of data to streamline your supplies. But try opening 1 month of data which only grows exponentially with daily increase in orders. Let me illustrate in numbers. Imagine you generate 1 megabyte of data on day 1 and the orders double on every consecutive day. You would end up with 66,795 megabytes of data on the 365th day. From 1 MB to almost 67 gigabytes of file size by the end of the year. Can you even dare to double click on a file of that size? That is just from 1 year's of data from one outlet. How about from 10 or 30 or 50 outlets? Oh, and pivoting? Forget it. Unless you've planned to invest in a supercomputer for each of your outlets before you could find preferred suppliers, it's going to be a long and unsuccessful wait. Can you do it in real time without additional skilling? Talk to us.